Want to turn your normal video into a stunning 4K HDR quality edit using CapCut for PC? Here's how you can get the best quality step by step. First, open CapCut on your PC and drag your video file to the timeline. Once the video is in place, click on the Adjustment tab. From the options, choose Custom Adjustment and then select Curves. Adjust the curves slightly to increase contrast and brightness. You can do this by pulling the lower end down and the upper end up to give the video more dynamic range. Take your time to get the balance right. Once done, extend the adjustment layer so it covers the entire length of your video. Next, go to the Effects panel. Under the Lens category, search for Blur. Add the blur effect to your timeline and also stretch it so it applies to the full video. Now export this edited version of your video. Once exporting is complete, delete the original video and blur layer from your timeline. Then import the newly exported video back into CapCut and drag it to the timeline. Now select your video and open the blend mode settings. Choose Color Burn from the blend options. Reduce the opacity to around 30%. This will enhance the color depth and lighting balance of your video. Next, import a plain white background image and drag it below your main video on the timeline. Select the white background and apply the overlay blend mode. Then, slightly reduce the opacity to soften the overlay. This helps enhance the brightness and adds a more HDR-like layer to the video. Now go back to your main video and begin final color adjustments. You can tweak settings such as hue, saturation, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, sharpness, and clarity. Fine-tune these controls until you're happy with the visual result. If you want even more control, you can also adjust the HSL settings for specific color channels. Once you're done with all adjustments, extend the layer to match the video length so the settings apply throughout. Finally, export your video in 4K resolution. In the Export window, choose 4K as your resolution and increase the bitrate to ensure maximum quality. And that's it. Your 4K HDR style video is now ready using CapCut for PC. Like if this helped you upgrade your video quality. And make sure to subscribe for more easy and powerful editing tutorials.